Hi. What you doing, big boy? You gonna talk to Mama? Can you go? Hi. 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 You gonna talk to me? Yeah? Uh-huh. Yeah? What else? What else? Is that Sasha? What do you have to say, Sasha? Hey. Hey, buddy. Hey, big boy. Hi. Yeah. What else? Uh-huh. Did you have seat taters today? Did you have seat taters for the first time today? Did you? What else? Yeah? Let's show everybody those fat legs. Let's show everybody those fat legs. Look at those ankles. I mean, there's just no ankles. It's a crease. You got the legs of a 300-pound woman. Yes, you do. You got a booger in your nose. Booger in the nose. Booger in the nose. What do you see? Do you see Sasha? Is that Sasha? Hi, Sasha. Sasha, lay down. Good girl. She's a good girl most of the time, except when she drinks out of the toilet, huh?